Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. A binary puzzle, in the puzzle page of Saturday. Yes, it's actually today, Saturday, November the 18th, 2023, and we have two puzzles left in this puzzle page, and I've already solved one, and that's the 2-star Sudoku. Well, 2 stars, 3 stars. I think this is 2 stars. So one puzzle is left, the binary. After this puzzle, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition, and this will be number 774. 774. Yes, 774. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one. Oh wait. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. And I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Of course, double O here. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5, of course. Between two ones comes an O. Well, we have here double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then I need to think here. Between the ones comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here or there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the first column. Not allowing one of the rules. So the 1 should be in one of these two boxes. So these two boxes should be an O. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. And an O between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So those two boxes should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 here or there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we need to compare. Do we have here double one? Yeah. No, it's not the same here. Well, how about here? Double one. Oh, no. Overlook something. Come on. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here should be an O and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here should be an O and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's, okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between the O's and an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between this O is an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O then. Okay, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1's comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 6 minutes. Well. Took me more time than this one. This one has 5 minutes. But we solved it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve the rest. So, thank you again for watching. And see you later. Yeah, with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.